Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to look at how to create a successful financial pitch deck for startups. Well, even for existing business looking for scale-up funds. Creating a successful financial pitch deck is crucial for startups seeking investment. It's not just about presenting numbers, it's about telling a compelling story that convinces investors of your startup's potential. This video guide will equip you with the tools and knowledge to craft a winning financial pitch deck. Now let's jump right in. Why financial pitch decks matter. Think of your pitch deck as a captivating movie trailer for your business. It should condense your vision, opportunity, and financial viability into a bite-sized presentation that excites investors and compels them to ask for more. Remember, investors are looking for a clear path to a substantial return on their investment, ROI. Financial projections are the roadmap that demonstrates this path, demystifying the investor mindset. Imagine you're on a quest for a hidden treasure. A cryptic map, however, holds the key. Investors are like those treasure hunters. Your pitch deck is the map. It needs to be clear, concise, and lead them to the pot of gold, a lucrative return on their investment. Investors typically fall into three categories. Angel investors, often wealthy individuals who invest in high-risk, high-reward startups at an early stage. They're swayed by passionate pitches and a strong market opportunity. Venture capitalists, VCs, firms specializing in funding high-growth startups. They focus on the scalability and potential for a significant exit, IPO, or acquisition. Private equity firms invest in later-stage startups with a proven track record. Financial projections and a clear path to profitability are paramount. Understanding your target investors' priorities is crucial. Tailor your pitch deck to resonate with their specific interests. Essentials for your deck. While the exact structure might vary, a stellar financial pitch deck typically follows this framework. 1. Introduction, setting the stage. The introduction should grab the investor's attention immediately. It's your first chance to make an impression, so make it count. A powerful introduction sets the stage for the rest of your pitch. Airbnb's pitch deck started with a simple, impactful statement: book rooms with locals rather than hotels. This instantly conveyed their unique value proposition and problem-solving approach. Tips: start with a bold statement or question. Keep it concise. Your introduction should be clear and to the point. Engage with a story. Personal stories can be very compelling. 2. The framework, essential slides for your deck. While specific content may vary, a winning financial pitch deck typically follows this core structure. 1. Problem and solution. Briefly explain the problem your startup addresses and your innovative solution. Presenting the problem. This slide should clearly define the problem your startup is addressing. Highlighting pain points helps investors understand the need for your solution. According to data from CB Insights, 42% of startups fail due to a lack of market need. Clearly articulating the problem helps mitigate this risk. Case study: Uber. Uber's pitch deck effectively highlighted the inefficiencies and frustrations of traditional taxi services, such as long wait times and unpredictable costs, to showcase the necessity for a better alternative. Use data and statistics. Provide evidence of the problem's significance. Include real-world examples. Illustrate the problem with relatable scenarios. Keep it focused. Avoid overloading with too many issues. Presenting the solution. Explain how your product or service solves the problem. Emphasize what makes your solution unique and superior to existing alternatives. Example: Dropbox. Dropbox used a simple visual in their pitch deck to demonstrate how their service integrates seamlessly into users' workflows, highlighting its ease of use and accessibility. Tips: include a demo or screenshots. Visual representations help investors understand your solution quickly. Highlight unique features. Show what sets your solution apart. Be clear and concise. Ensure your explanation is straightforward. 2. Market opportunity. Quantify the market size and growth potential using industry reports and data visualizations, pie charts, bar graphs. Convince investors that there is a substantial and growing market for your product. Provide data on market size, growth trends, and target demographics. According to data from Statista, the global market for software as a service, SaaS, was valued at approximately $157 billion in 2020 and is expected to grow significantly. Case study. LinkedIn's pitch deck included detailed market analysis showcasing the increasing importance of professional networking and the size of their potential user base. Tips. Use credible sources. Ensure your data is reliable and up to date. Include growth projections. Show both current size and future potential. Segment your market. Break down your target market into manageable segments. 3. Competitive landscape. Identify your key competitors and differentiate your product or service. This shows you understand the competitive landscape and your unique advantages. Example Buffer. Buffer's pitch deck included a competitive analysis that positioned them favorably within the social media management market, highlighting unique features and pricing. Tips. Use a SWOT analysis. Strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats. Highlight your differentiators. Show what makes you unique. Be honest about competitors. Investors appreciate a realistic assessment. 4. Business model. Outline how you generate revenue, subscriptions, etc., and your customer acquisition strategy. Investors need to understand how your business will generate profit. Example, Spotify. Spotify's pitch deck included detailed slides on their freemium model and subscription plans, highlighting both current revenue and future growth potential. Tips. Break down revenue streams. Clearly show all sources of income. Include price strategy. Explain how you price your product or service. Show profitability projections. Provide scenarios for future profitability. 5. Transactions, if applicable. Traction demonstrates that your business model is viable. Highlight key metrics such as growth, revenue, partnerships, and customer testimonials. According to data from AngelList, startups with strong traction are more likely to secure funding as they have already validated their market. Case study Snapchat. When Snapchat pitched to investors, they showcased their rapid user growth and high engagement rates, crucial indicators of their potential success. Tips. Use charts and graphs. Visual representations of growth are powerful. Highlight major milestones. Include significant achievements. Include testimonials. Customer feedback can be very persuasive. 6. Financial projections. This is the heart of your deck. This slide should provide a detailed look at your startup's financial health and projections. Include profit and loss statements, cash flow projections, and balance sheets. Here's what to include. Revenue forecast. Project your future revenue streams for the next 3 to 5 years based on realistic assumptions about customer growth and pricing. Cost structure. Detail your operational expenses, marketing, salaries, rent, etc. to demonstrate financial discipline. Burn rate and runway. Show your burn rate, rate at which you spend cash, and runway, time you can operate with current funds. This indicates your funding needs. Key financial metrics. Highlight key metrics like gross margin, customer lifetime value, and customer acquisition cost. 7. Team expertise. Introduce your team, emphasizing their relevant skills and experience. Investors invest in people as much as in ideas. Case study. WhatsApp. The founders of WhatsApp highlighted their deep experience in the tech industry and their previous successes, which reassured investors of their capability to execute their vision. Tips include short bios. Highlight relevant achievements and experience. Showcase diverse skills. Demonstrate that your team has all necessary skills to succeed. Include photos. Personalize your team introduction with visuals. 8. Funding request. Clearly state the amount of funding you seek and how you will use the capital. Break down the allocation of funds to show strategic planning. Case study Slack. Slack's pitch deck was clear about their funding needs and provided a detailed breakdown of how the funds would be used to scale the business. Tips. Be specific. Clearly state the amount of funding you need. Provide a breakdown. Show how the funds will be allocated. Align with growth plans. Explain how the funding will help achieve key milestones. 9. Exit strategy. Outline your potential exit plan, acquisition, IPO, etc., to demonstrate a long-term vision. Case study. Zoom's 2019 IPO filing provides a good example of a successful financial pitch deck. Their deck effectively communicated their large market opportunity in the video conferencing space, a strong competitive advantage with their freemium model, and a clear path to profitability through subscription plans. Source: Zoom Investor Relations. Finally, your pitch deck should be concise. Aim for 10 to 12 slides, adhering to the 10-20-30 rule advocated by investor Guy Kawasaki. 10 slides, delivered in 20 minutes, with a font size no smaller than 30. Be realistic, yet optimistic. Overly ambitious projections can raise red flags, while underestimating your potential might leave money on the table. We have come to the end of this adventure. Hope you had as much fun learning. Subscribe for more educative contents to make your life and business better. See you in my next video. Go get that funding.